I think with partners such as Ignion, our customer can explore different antenna options at the early stage of the project. And this is very important for the product success. So my name is Anna Vukovic. I'm a senior product manager for cellular LPWA modules here at Telit Cinterion. The collaboration with Ignion is very important, especially for asset tracking and smart metering application. Those applications are usually challenging, so devices are often maybe put in a metallic enclosure or maybe underground. They are expected to stay in the field for many years on a battery. In some cases, they are deployed at scale, so any failure is costly, of course. So there are many challenges. For example, we do have smart meters for electricity, but also gas and water that are installed in dense urban environments. Even if the module performs perfectly, then it's up to the antenna and antenna integration to work with the real-world scenario. Maybe there are surrounding material that is affecting the overall performance. So it's very important to collaborate with Ignion in general, with our antenna partners, to build design that are robust to real scenario. In asset tracking, it's similar. Sometimes the devices are placed inside containers, inside pallets, or attached to industrial devices. So if you think about the module, okay, the module can guarantee the performance just up until its antenna port, so it's RF port. Yes. Then it's the antenna that determines then how the final device will behave in the field. Okay, so this is very important. We can think about, for example, two different asset tracking devices, but including the same module. Okay, but depending on the antenna placement, antenna orientation, maybe they have different coverage in the field. So this can be a difference, a real differentiation. Or maybe for battery-powered devices, this is valid both for metering, but also for asset tracking. Maybe you do calculation based on the module, current consumption, and your specific scenario. But then, okay, when you add the antenna, if the antenna does not perform well, the device will consume power much faster, okay? So this means you will need replacement in the field sooner than expected. So it's very important to collaborate with Ignion and the antenna partners to avoid that, because at the end, what end customer remember is whether the device works well in the field, okay? I think earlier antenna exploration is very important for the product success. Sometimes we do see a customer that analyze the design of the PCB, maybe also the enclosure, okay? And just later, at a later stage, they discover some RF issues. So at that point, the fixes are expensive and time-consuming as well. So I think with partners such as Ignion and tools that Ignion can offer, Oxion, our customer can explore different antenna options very at the early stage of the project. And this is very important for the product success. When during the design, the module and antenna design are treated separately, then in case of issue, okay, at a later stage, you don't know where the responsibility lies, and you don't know which part needs to be fixed, okay? So it's very difficult. And by collaborating with Ignion and with our antenna partners in general, we can, together with Ignion, guide the customer towards the design that is most suitable for their own application. So it's very important, the collaboration. Yeah, and we do offer also free certification or design review services as Ignion can offer to help the customer to take into account everything together for the success of the product in the market. So this is very important.